Yo, hello, and how's it going, my fellow DeFi DEGEN friends? I hope you're all doing well, staying safe and making the best investments that you could possibly make. And in today's video, I want to share with you, now I know the markets are pretty shit right now, and things are a bit up in the air which way it's going to go, and we're all trying to make these, look into our crystal balls and try to find the answers, what's going to happen. And to be quite honest, no one knows, and we can't possibly know, and we're never going to know. But we can start looking for opportunities, these low caps, these ultra, it's DEGEN, but these are the kind of things that may even make money during these down markets, and that is what I want to share with you today. So could it make 100x from here? Quite possibly. This is what I'm betting on. I am invested in this. This is not financial advice, of course. You should always do your own research, manage your own risk, and just make sure you know what you're getting into. So the project that we are talking about today is Rora Realm. I have spoke about them previously in another video that I did when they was on Aurora. However, they have moved to BSC, which is why it's a lot more exciting now for this project. And I'm going to explain why I think it may just do 100x through this uncertain market and then into the future. So let's just jump into it today and find out why. Okay, so as a prelude to the conversation and my reasoning why I think it may do well, especially in this market of uncertainty and projects that aren't doing very well, some projects are suffering more than others. Things are running a little bit different on Binance Smart Chain. So Binance, as you probably know, is a pretty crazy chain. It's full of degenerates, and that's what we love to see. This is a highlight reel from projects listed on BSC that haven't been listed on Binance yet. And as you can see, some of these projects here, Baby Doge, 4K, Bitcoin, Baby, Yushi, these are all meme coins or of that similar nature. And even in uncertain markets like this, I was around last year, I initially got into meme coins. That's how I started my journey. Now I know this isn't full DeFi, however DeFi is a little bit flat right now, so this is why we're looking a little bit outside the boundaries and trying to find the next big thing. So even in these uncertain markets, you can see that people are still trading these coins quite actively. They do have millions of dollars of trading volume, despite uncertain conditions from Bitcoin and the overall market. This is the time where people do start moving into these community coins, things that people can get behind. This whole environment, whole bullish sentiment around the whole community, just everyone getting behind these coins, and they do still see good bullish sentiments regardless of the current market. And this is why I am bullish on Rora. Rora is a similar kind of token to these meme coins. Rora classifies itself as a culture token as opposed to a meme token. They have taken inspiration from the meme culture and trying to transform that and put their own twist on it, and they are starting to build into a narrative that I think could be a next big thing. So essentially, Rora is a community culture on the Binance Smart Chain. All investors become Rora Guardians. So this is creating that community aspect. It's involving everyone, enticing them to become part of the community, become part of the Rora culture, and exploring that huge market of just insane growth through community and through creative building. So Rora is an auto yield project on the fundamental level. It is a reflections token. There is buy and sell taxes, which is 5% buys, which help to support the project, goes back to token holders, and also goes towards development, and the same for the sells. Now you may think that taxes are a bit of a hindrance on projects, and it may put you off buying. However, some of the rebasing tokens that have done extremely well over the last year or 2 years, such as Titano, Sphere, Seifu, Titan, all of these huge projects that offer these rebasing, this active passive income, these have up to 15 to 20% taxes just to sustain those models. So Rora has more of a conservative tax features, which helps to continue to build the project, reward investors just for holding, and this is all on a base level. Now, you definitely got to check out the docs for Aurora. There's tons and tons of information, and the most fascinating part for me is our vision. This is the first page you jump onto in the docs, So definitely go and check it out. All the links will be down below. Now, Rora is a hybrid of proven concepts within Web3. The foundation of our project revolves around Rora as an intellectual property, while incentivizing a create and earn economy. Now, how is this done? If you go onto the Rora Twitter or into the Discord, you will see that they run active competitions almost daily. There's one running right now. These are Guardian bounties. They do run Guardian bounties and missions. Bounties happen near enough every day, whereas missions are bigger competitions that happen less frequently, but the prizes are bigger. And the concept is simple. You just have to create content, create some value towards the project. So if you're a backholder, you've bought some Rora, you're earning those reflections, and then you want to start earning a bit more on top, getting involved in the project, as is the whole ethos around this community and meme tokens. It's all about getting involved, making your voice heard, spreading the word about the project. And typically in these kinds of projects, you don't get paid for that. You're just trying to shill your bags, get a bit back on your investment, try and pump your own bags. Whereas with this creator economy, create to earn, you can get involved in these challenges, participate in these bounties, missions, and if you are the winner, you're selected as the winner, you create the best content, you're the most active, then you do get paid out rewards just for participating. And this is the whole base of the creator economy, which I think is just it's ingenious. I don't know why this hasn't been thought of before, and it's definitely why I'm excited about it. The rewards are currently $15 each day for the bounties, but as the project grows and there's more income coming into the treasury and the development wallets, as the project grows exponentially, so do the prizes that are offered out. So if you think in 6 months time they might be doing daily bounties of $250 to $500 per day, just for the bounties and the missions, just for creating content, showing your creative art, just anything that you love to do that you can put into a creative art form. You can submit this as part of your culture, the project, and just getting involved and getting paid to create content. It's that simple, and it's genius in my opinion. I'm surprised no other projects have gone this route, rewarding people, investors, content creators, just to get involved and participate in the project. So one of the most exciting concepts that is going to be released further into the phases of the Rora Realm is the building phase, which to me I'm getting pretty excited about. And they are going to be releasing a Guardian network, which is essentially a Web3 social gamified platform exclusive for Rora holders. And this ties into the bounties and the missions, and all of that will be built into a profile system, XP ranking, sections for the missions and bounties, rewards and achievements, tier-based NFT collections, just so much stuff that's packed in. It's going to be so bullish with this Guardian network that is going to be announced. As you can see, the project artwork already is on another level, and considering they're only at a $56,000 market cap, just the artwork and the continuous interactions with the community, the bounties, missions, happening frequently, keeping the community engaged. Whilst they're already earning those auto yields on their investments, they've got this extra layer on top that is incentivizing the community to get involved, help to spread exposure, bring awareness to the project, and just, everyone's getting involved and creating that culture aspect. And that is why they refer themselves as a culture token, and I can definitely get behind that. So the project launched around a week ago now on BSC. As I said, they did launch on Aurora before, but there was a sell tax implications built into the dexes on Aurora, which means they had to think quick and migrate over to BSC. So they have been here around a week, and as you can see, there's been a slow climb up in the price chart. It's still very underexposed. It's still yet to have a huge breakout, and when it does, it could possibly run up to a couple of $100,000, and then easily into the millions. So when I say it's possibly 100x, 100x would be around 5.5 million market cap, which for a project that has this amount of promise, this amount of bullish sentiment, you know, getting so much involvement with the community already, you know, this is why I said it could be 100x from now. Of course, it's not financial advice and you should always do your own research. Let me know down below what you think about Aurora, your thoughts on it, if you like this create to earn concept, what you think, you know, the future might hold for this kind of, you know, narrative, and if you think Aurora is being at the forefront of it. Follow me on Twitter at DeFi Degens. Come and join the DeFi Degens Discord. The link to that will be at the top of the description of this video. And whatever you do, stay safe out there, make good investments, and have a great day.